We young investors have really done well in what was really a roller coaster year for investors in the stock market. Giseline Bishop, Richard Azan Jr. and Lymano Legister have given us a veritable tutorial on how to beat a bear market. In the first year of the Young Investors competition, they have made gains ranging from 27% to over 36%. Lymano Legister won the first quarter. The wily Giseline Bishop won the second quarter and Richard Azan Jr. the third quarter. So someone has the opportunity to win a second quarterly prize in the fourth quarter, which effectively ended Thursday, December 16, 2010. Who has won that important fourth quarter? The University of Technology's Lymano Legister has capped a really wonderful year and is the winner of the fourth quarter based on data submitted from the Jamaica Stock Exchange. So Lymano opened the year a winner and closed it on the same note. In the final week of year one in the Young Investors Stock Market competition, Lymano consolidated his lead by adding cable and wireless to his portfolio and apparently watching the tax-related developments in the spirits market, sold his D&G shares. Lymano's strategy paid off. His portfolio's value increased by over $1,700, closing the year at $136,385.60. Lymano closed the year with a portfolio of 290,000 cable and wireless shares, 6,000 Caribbean Cement shares, and 5,000 Capital and Credit Group shares. Richard Azan Jr., who made a valiant bid to win the fourth quarter, had the distinction of making the week's biggest profit of over $2,000, but not enough to overtake Lymano. Richard sold his Jamaica Producers and bought Kingston Wharves shares while adding more cable and wireless shares. His portfolio closed the year at $133,144.98. Richard Azan Jr. closed the year with a highly diversified portfolio consisting 290,000 cable and wireless shares, 6,000 Caribbean Cement shares, 3,000 D&G shares, 1,100 Kingston Wharves shares, and 4,500 Gleaner shares. Giseline Bishop's portfolio declined by $179 to close the year at $127,538.40. She was fairly active in the market, selling all her cable and wireless and Scotia Group shares and buying D&G, Jamaica Broilers, Scotia DBG, Kingston Wharves, and Supreme Ventures. Giseline closed the year with a 5-stock portfolio of 2,000 D&G shares, 5,900 Jamaica Broilers shares, 1,000 Scotia DBG, 10,200 Kingston Wharves, and 10,000 Supreme Ventures shares. Her portfolio closed the year at $127,538.40. This year's young investors, Richard Azan Jr., Giseline Bishop, and Lymano Legister, had a good run, and we congratulate them for staying the course and really showing us how to play the market. We will reward them for their efforts in an appropriate way in January 2011. As promised at a prize-giving ceremony earlier 2010, we plan to include an inner-city school in the 2011 edition of the Young Investors Stock Market competition. Thanks to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Marlene Street, and her team for collaborating with us to promote the culture of investing in the market as well as financial literacy.